attempting to keep children and their communities safe. This government clinic in a densely populated area of Colombo has started administering additional measles vaccines. 5 years ago, Sri Lanka succeeded in eliminating measles. But an outbreak last May, mainly affecting babies, prompted health authorities to introduce an additional dose for infants 6 to 9 months old. The highly contagious airborne disease spreads easily, especially when an infected person coughs or sneezes. The increase in infections to more than 700 in 10 months has many parents worried.
He is due for the vaccine because he's 3 years old and there is also a surge in the spread of measles. That's why I brought him.
Sri Lanka introduced the measles vaccine 40 years ago and claimed 99% coverage. But the pandemic resulted in a decrease in vaccinations. Recent estimates said 10,000 Sri Lankan children had not been vaccinated. Doctors are warning of dire consequences if that doesn't change.
People don't understand the dangers now. Parents may think once the child's got measles, everything will be okay. But complications like those in the brink can occur after 5 years.
The children's agency UNICEF, which is supporting health authorities with additional immunizations, says Sri Lanka had almost eliminated measles, but unvaccinated people are at risk.
It's a global world now, so any family who travels to a geography where transmission of measles is happening, it's very likely that they may carry back the infection and again spread this infection. And if there is a vulnerable group of people in Sri Lanka who are not fully immune yet, then they always remain a potential source for further spreading the infection.
Despite years of underinvestment, a crippling economic crisis and the arrest of the former health minister for fraud, the government says public health care remains a priority.
Having eradicated measles once, authorities here are determined to do so again, counting on a strong community healthcare system. But a previous drop in cases and fears about vaccines are making that difficult. Minelle Fernandez, Al Jazeera, Colombo.
Make sure to subscribe to our channel to get the latest news from Al Jazeera.